Okay, hello everyone, welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to extend the C volume on your hard drive computer. As you can see here, I have the C disk that already ran out. It's around 5 gig left. 5 gig left. Now I want to overread from the E disk to the C disk. So you go to partition manager in your Windows. This video I'm going to show you how to not using another software because I already download like ease partition. It costs you around $5 and the trial version is not very good, I think. So I try the conventional way, the very common way. So here my C disk in my disk management, if I click the extend volume is going it turns gray color, so means it can't be clicked. Now how to doing this, the theory or the principle is simple, quite simple. If you want to extend some volume, there must be another unallocated disk next, right after the next of the volume. For example, here I don't have any disk unallocated next to the C volume, and but in here on the E disk I have an allocated disk, so I can click this volume, E volume, and then I can click the extend volume. Next, then I can click the unallocated disk. Now how to doing this? It's a little bit goofy, or I mean it's quite scare you maybe, because we have to move all the data from the E disk. I already move all my data here, or I already back up to another SSD, external SSD, so I just delete it. I will delete all the data here, or I click the format on disk management. Okay, and then I can click OK. Okay, we wait for the format. It won't take long. That's it. Okay, yes. Now I already format my disk, and then I have to delete volume. You click the delete volume here. You click the delete volume. Right click and delete volume. Now I have an allocated disk around 150 gigs or 150 gigabyte. Now wait. Why? Okay, now we found the problem. There is a healthy recovery partition here, which means it is the Windows backup. We have to delete this one. How to doing this is a little bit complex. You go to your start menu and then go to your CMD, type in CMD or command prompt, and you click the run as administrator. Click yes. After that you type in this part, this part like this. Now already this part, and then type in list disk. Now there is a list disk. There are listed disks will be shown here. My one is only one, so I just have this 0, and then select disk 0. My one is 0. Sorry. Oh. Okay, you type in select this with key, not C. 0. Now this 0 is already selected, and then type in list of partition. Now as you can see, I have the 3 partition, 1 2 3. As you can see here, the C 1 2 3. I think the one is this one, the 500 megabytes, and then the 884 megabytes is the partition 3. Now we have to delete this. To be noticed, if you delete this one, which your Windows backup will be lost. So please be careful doing this. Okay. And then I click select. I type in select partition 3. Partition 3 is now the selected partition, and then click delete partition override. Hit the enter. Now this part successfully deleted the selected partition. Here, as you can see, the Windows backup is already gone. Now I can click extend volume here to make it my C volume is bigger. So I click extend volume next, and then I want to edit some around 20 gigs, I think, or 40 gigs lah. 40 gigs will be good. 40 and then selected. Sorry. Okay, next. Okay, finish. Now I have my C volume already extended into 124 gigabytes. See? Now I have to make another E volume because I already deleted my E volume. Next, I want to make it another new volume. So assign following letters the E. Next, and then I think this one is okay. Next, finish. Now I already have my volume E. I want to rename it new volume. Okay, I think that's enough. I hope it's useful for you. If you have any question, please put on the comment below. If you like, please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.